Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite in-shower products. I don't know if this is like a video. I don't know. I've never seen this video go around, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to share with you guys the products that I have in my restroom or like things that I've been using for a while and I reach out for, I don't know, just like a different kind of favorites video, you know? Anyways guys, before we get started into the video, please subscribe if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like these kind of video ideas that I come up with. I don't know, I feel like I'm not creative at all. So like when something like sparks my mind, I feel like a bet, you know? Anyways guys, let's just jump into the favorites. So I'm not gonna go in like any order or anything like that. I'm just gonna go with the flow, you know? So the first product is this right here. This is a Bluetooth speaker and you're probably like, okay, it's just a speaker. What is it doing in your bathroom? I take this with me like everywhere, especially my restroom, because when I'm in the shower and I'm obviously, you know, taking a shower, and when it's one of those showers that I have to like wash my hair, shave my arms, shave down there, shave the legs, and shave everything in between, you know, kind of takes me a while. So I want to be listening to some music. I either listen to like music, a podcast, a YouTube video, whatever, and I have this and I love it because it is just so loud, and it's just loud, and I don't know, it's super affordable. I got this off of Amazon. The brand X Leader. It also has for a TF card. It has like an aux cord and everything. So I don't know, I connect it to my phone and I just play my life away, you know? Let me know if you guys listen to music or like a podcast or a video while you're in the shower. Let me know. I want to know if I'm the only crazy one. So next up, I want to talk about the moisturizer that I've been using probably since I got it. This is the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream with peptide complex and hyaluronic acid. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this throughout like the past, I don't know what, like 10 videos or so. But I love this stuff. It's such a good moisturizer. If you're oily skin, if you're dry skin, I recommend it. It smells so high-end, it feels so high-end, but this is the moisturizer I use on my face. Next up, you guys, is this Power Dry Me by Design Me. I use this when I get out of the shower. I just like drench my hair with it and then I blow dry it, and I just feel like it helps protect my hair. But not only that, it also like blow dries my hair in like less than anything, and I have pretty thick hair. I have a lot of hair. I just like to make it seem like I really don't have hair, so I only pull very little to the front, but I'm a hairy person, so huge shout out to this. Next up is dry shampoo. I love this dry shampoo. This is by the brand Dove. This is the Detox and Purify Dry Shampoo. I'm a pretty oily person, but not only that, but I'm also like dry on my scalp. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But a lot of these do not work for me because they either leave like a white residue or I just don't feel my hair and my scalp clean. But ever since I came across this one, I really like it. I do not wash my hair every single day. I started doing that probably last year because I really wanted like my hair to grow, and you know, I wanted my hair to be a little bit more healthy. So I reach out to this pretty often. I love the fact that it makes my hair feel like I just got out of the shower, not only because of the smell, but because it removes any type of like oil or like buildup or anything like that. So favorite in shower shampoo. Next up is Hot Tools. I want to talk about this specific straightener because I do keep this with me in the shower or like anytime I'm getting ready. This is the Wet to Straight, and I believe this is by the Remington. So this is by the brand Remington. I do have the large barrel, and then I do have the small one. I have, I want to say 6 years with this, if not more. Like, I'm not even lying to you guys. These are probably like the best straighteners I've ever gotten. They straighten my hair. And if you guys have seen my natural hair, then you guys know that it's curly, like it's poofy, it's frizzy, it's just like all over the place. And I love these straighteners. If you are looking for a good affordable straightener, head out to Target, Walmart, check out the Remington ones. They are so good, so good. Next up is this shower cap. I know it's like nothing fancy, or I don't know, I thought I'd share this with you guys because this is in my shower, and every time I'm like not washing my hair, I'm wearing this. This is by the brand Lulu Beauty. Yeah, lulubeautyco.com. I love this stuff, you guys. I don't know, it's just hard to explain like an in-shower cap, but it doesn't get my hair wet. It like covers it completely. I mean, nothing new. It's pretty cheap. I got this at Ulta. It's not like one of those fancy ones that look like you have like a towel around your hair. It's just I don't know, plastic, I guess. I don't know. I love this, and it's like $3, so like, why not mention it, you know? It's in my shower. Next up, let's talk about pads. These are my favorite pads, and I know a lot of people don't share this kind of stuff, but I was like, you know what? I have these in the shower, so might as well. These are my favorite ones, you guys. These are the brand You by Kotex. And right here, it's just like the regular ones, the ultra thin. These, I love them because they don't really have like a smell or anything like that. I use the regular ones. I don't like the ones that come with a flap, and I love them. This is exactly how they look like. I love these, you guys, because the thingy doesn't make like noise. You know, like some make like, I don't know, like, I have always been that person that if I'm in like a public restroom and I'm opening a pad, I hate when like you can literally like hear me opening a pad, you know? I don't know, I hate that. Like the Always ones make huge ass noise. I hate those with all of my heart. These, I find like they don't make any noise because they come in like this soft kind of paper. I don't know, these are the ones I use. I feel like this was kind of like a weird kind of favorites video, but they're pads. I use these. Next up, let's talk about shampoo. This is the shampoo that I use. This is the Head & Shoulders Dry Scalp Care 2-in-1. This also has almond oil, and I don't really use like conditioner or anything like that. I want to say this has, yeah, so this has shampoo and conditioner in it. I suffer from dryness on my scalp. I don't know if it's dryness, I don't know what it is, but I suffer from a lot of like dandruff, you know, and I don't have any right now because my hair is like newly washed. Like I just washed it last night. I just find that this one like cleans my hair and it controls like all that white shit going on, you know. So I don't know, this is my favorite shampoo. It smells good, it leaves my hair feeling really soft, and yeah, I like it. Alright guys, so next up is lotion. I like this one. This is the one that I use. I've been using it for years and years. This is the Jergens Ultra Healing extra dry skin with vitamin C, E, and B5. So this is for the extra dry skin. This is the one I use like all over my body. If I'm not using like an oil, which I'll mention right now, it's this. So huge shout out to Jergens. Jergens makes really good lotions. Next up, I want to share this with you guys. I know this is kind of like weird and like, what is she doing? But I literally have one in like every single bathroom. I like to have pairs of things. I actually have the big one. Oh, here it is. Here it is. This is what the big one looks like, which is this one that comes in here. This is just contact solution. This is the one that I like. This is the Opti-Free Pure Moist All Day Comfort. And trust me, if you wear contacts and you're like legally blind like myself and you hear the word moist in a contact solution, that is like the best feeling ever, you guys. This one like cleanses my contacts, it disinfects them, but not only that, but it helps me get through the day, because contacts can be really like disturbing and like a hassle, and they can just be a thing, you know. And I don't know, this is the one I use. Like I said, I carry it all day. It's the All Day Comfort one. Like it has to be that one, because I know they have like a Replenish one and like other ones. This one is to me the best one. So huge shout out to Contact Solution, because what would I do without you, you know? Next up, I want to talk about a product that I probably mentioned. Well, these three products I'm about to mention, I'm going to go through them like pretty quickly because I have mentioned them before here on my channel. The first one is this razor, and I know you're probably like, a razor girl, what? Yes, this is the one that I use. You know, when you're a broke bitch, or you're just scared of laser hair removal, or you just don't have the money to afford it, you need a product that works good, you know, especially if you're hairy like me. So this is the Chic Intuition. Like, I even know the name because of how, if I could get this video sponsored by Chic Intuition, I would. Like, I would. Because this is how good I love this product and how good it works. And I've been raving about it for like years and years and years. And every time I tell my friends, like, you need to get your hands on this. So, huge shout out to this. But anyways, you guys, this is it right here. It's like a pretty fat one. Ever since I discovered this, my life has been easier. Like, easier, fast, in the shower, in and out. If you're in a hurry and you just want to shave your legs, you know, or shave whatever, it's just such a fast and easy product. So these are like the, what is this called? Like the cartilages? I don't know how you pronounce this, but these are it right here. This tool you can replace, I don't know, whenever you want to, I guess. But I replace it like almost like every month or so, or like every 2 months. And then I'll replace these once like the bar of soap is like completely gone. So what this is it has like a bar of soap, kind of like a shaving kind of thing around it, and it just makes life so easier. You don't need soap, you don't need shaving cream, you do not need anything of that sort. You know, we want to save money, so you don't want to buy a razor and then buy like a shaving cream or something like that. Like, no, we're all about the savings here. So this is a bomb ass product, and I use the green bluish ones like this, which are the ones for sensitive skin. There's obviously like a purple one that's for like something else, and there's like a green one for like something else, and there's a lot of them for like different things. This one is just the one that I use because my skin is pretty sensitive. So huge shout out to this. Like I said, if you're in a hurry, this will shave your legs in a minute without having like the fuss to like use soap or like shaving cream or anything like that. Like, this is on the go fast. So Chic Intuition, if you're watching this, I need my next video sponsored, okay? Alright guys, so the next product that I also keep in my shower is my deodorant. This is the one that I love, that I stand by. I've been talking about this for years now. I feel like I'm like a pretty everything, like pretty everything nasty, you know? Like, I am hairy, I am sweaty, I am a pretty sweaty person. And when I tell you that I sweat, like I literally sweat. I've never met a girl that sweats just as much as I do, and it's crazy and it's nasty and it's but I sweat. Like, that's just me. This is the deodorant right here. This is by the brand Degree. No deodorant has worked for me because I sweat a lot and I get pretty smelly pretty fast, and I know that's something that you're like, ugh. But it's the truth of reality, okay? I sweat and I stink. So this is the one that helps me out. This is actually the 3-layer odor protection. Like, that's how intense it gets, okay? I'm that sweaty and smelly. So I need the 3-layer odor protection. I love this stuff. It keeps me smelling really fresh even though I like sweat and sweat and sweat. And it just like kind of controls my sweat, if that makes sense. I don't know. I love this deodorant. Huge shout out to it. Next up is my bar of soap. I want you guys to tell me in the comment section down below if you guys hate body wash. I want to know if someone else out there in the world feels the same way that I feel with body wash. I cannot use body wash. Body wash makes me feel dirty. It just makes me feel like I put lotion on my skin. It makes me feel so dirty, so yucky. I hate that feeling. So this is my favorite bar soap. I actually use this for my body and for my face as well. This is the Yardley London Oatmeal and Almond exfoliating soap right here. I love this stuff. You can find this at Target. You can find it at Walmart for sure. You can find it at the 99-cent store. You can find it anywhere. If you hate body wash, use this. I promise you, you will not regret it. You will thank me later. This makes me feel so clean, you guys. It also like gently exfoliates my skin. I'm pretty sure you guys know, if you guys watch my videos, I don't really get pimples or anything, and I feel like this helps my skin a lot. It beats like the Dial soap. It beats any other soap. Like, this is it right here, and it's only $1. Next up, I want to talk about the product that I use before I do anything stylish to my hair, which doesn't happen very often because, like I said, I hate hair. I hate doing my hair. I hate anything that has to do with hair. But when I straighten my hair or when I curl my hair, which doesn't happen often, but when I do, this is the product that I use here. I love it. It doesn't make my hair feel like heavy. It doesn't like weigh it down either. This is the leave-in spray. It's a heat tamer kind of spray. Like, it helps, you know, when you're using like hot tools or anything like that. It's heat protection up to 450 degrees. It's by the brand Tresemme, and I love this stuff. It smells pretty good as well, and it just like soaks into your hair. Like, you apply this and your hair literally like is dry. So I love this stuff. Also, when I get out of the shower, I go in with this olive oil on my hair. I use very minimal product of this one. So this one repairs dry, damaged hair. It also hydrates, nourishes, and gives shine to your hair. I use very little of this, and this is basically like my detangler kind of, you know, oil going on, but I love this stuff. Like I said, this is by the brand Olive. I don't know, this is like a Mexican brand. You can find this at Walmart, Target, basically anywhere. Next is my face wash. This is a dupe for the Drunk Elephant Jelly face wash, whatever. If you saw my dupe video, then you saw how I compared them. Same thing. I love the way that it makes my skin feel. I love the way that it cleanses my skin without stripping it or making it feel like dry. This is good for oily skin, it's good for dry skin, it's good for sensitive skin. It has no soap, also no sulfates or anything like that. I love this stuff, and it feels really like high-end, you know, because I am all about the affordable products that feel luxurious, you know. I need to get more into skincare, but this is my favorite mask right now. This is the e.l.f. in the T-Zone Bubble Mask by e.l.f. This one has witch hazel. It refines your pores. I just feel like it really helps my pore area to kind of like bring out the dirt and bring out like the yucky stuff. I don't love this. It's also very like sensitive on the skin. Like it's not gonna like irritate you or anything like that. This is the mask I use. Alright guys, so next up I want to share the Colgate charcoal toothpaste. I use this one, and I also use the baking soda from the same brand. I mean, this is the one I use. I feel like it helps it I don't know, my mouth just feels clean. And then these are the white strips that I use. I don't whiten my teeth very often because I'm very sensitive, and for not keeping my retainer on, I got a gap right here. So I need to go back to the dentist and get my retainer. If you wear braces, or if you have braces on, please wear your retainer afterwards, because if not, your teeth are gonna get fucked up again. So anyways, these are the ones I use. These are the Crest white strips. I mean, like I said, I don't really use them often, so my teeth are not like spark white, but those are the ones I use. And then lastly, I want to share with you guys my makeup remover wipes are these right here. These are by the brand Neutrogena. These are the makeup cleansing removing towelettes. With only one towelette, I remove my complete face of makeup, my eye makeup, my face makeup, everything makeup with only one of them, because they're just like really soaked, and I don't know, I use both sides. So yeah, these are the ones I use, the ones in the blue packaging. Alright guys, and we have come to the end of today's video. I'm not gonna like keep rambling about products, but if you guys want to see more videos along the lines, then let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Y'all have no idea. Like, YouTube can see y'all when you guys thumbs it up. So thumbs it up if you like these kind of video ideas. Let us know in the comment section down below, what are your favorite in shower products or like in shower items that you just cannot live without, something that you use on a daily. We want to know. I am so nosy. I literally like want to know what people use in the shower. Like, is that normal? And not like in a bad way, like what do you use in the shower? No, like I want to know like what works for you guys, you know, like soap wise, like face wash, I don't know, just anything wash. Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.